Welcome to the train layout today here at Union Station. We have some new improvements to show you as the Chief goes into the mountain tunnel. This is the Coastal Mountain. Still not finished, but some improvements today. The Coastal Mountain has been extended along the beach here. And we have all three missions up here. So San Diego mission, which y'all saw before. Here comes the Challenger. So we have San Diego mission, we have Santa Barbara mission, and we also have San Carlos mission, which is where Father Junipero Serra was buried. And I've celebrated Mass there over his tomb. So these are all three very significant missions to me, and they're arranged in order from south to north. So San Diego up there on the mountain, and then Santa Barbara and San Carlos. So this is pretty cool to have this here and have it going today. And the design team, my wonderful design team, they worked on this today, and so they're going to do some more when they come back next week, hopefully. So it's all coming together. And on the other side of this coastal mountain, hopefully soon, you will get to see Lassen Peak as it progresses. So now we'll just take a little journey around the layout. We have several trains running. Have the Illinois Central steam engine making its way around. And my little GP9 that's going around over there too. It's a happening place around here. Have the Ferris wheel and the carousel over here. This lovely train station here. Challenger's about to come out the tunnel here in a second, I think. Lots of steam engines running today, 2 of them. Lots of fun stuff here. The lovely waterfall here. And the tunnel. Okay, we'll go down here as the Chief makes its way down through Dallas. catch up with you all later on. Attention all passengers. Next train departing on track 2, the Island Local, bound for Rodenville and return. Train will be departing at 10 p.m., arriving in Rodenville at midnight with layover until about 7 in the morning. Train should return back to Union Station no later than 9 a.m. Boarding will begin at the front of the station. All aboard!